Hello everyone, so today I will introduce how to install Ubuntu running on VMware. So the requirement, you have to have the VMware Workstation Pro 17 or VMware Fusion on MacBook in order to run Linux. So the first thing, when you first encounter this, you will add My Computers, you click File, New Virtual Machine. Then you can choose two options, but we will use typical. Next, and then at this one is when you will configure. So you can click here, I will install to the next time. If you have already the ISO 1, you could input here. Okay, so with I will guide you to configure the VMware first. Click here, and here is select the guest operating system. So I tend to building Ubuntu, so I will choose Linux. The default is Ubuntu. Click next, and then after this you can click to the another locations, but remember at this one you can browse to the another drive. I don't want to do this here because it might cause some error. So previously I did have some other thing, so I config in my D drive instead. So in my D drive is have a VM Ubuntu already. Okay, so remember you should create a new empty folder. Here is VM Ubuntu, and then you OK, and after this you're gonna click next. So previously, because this folder is my virtual machine, so you can do for the continual thing. Okay, and after this you will have this one, VM Ubuntu. If you want to run this, first you should access to Ubuntu. You can get to the download. Okay, and you can search for Ubuntu 2024, the latest one in 2025. You click download, you will have the ISO file. And I already have this. This is here, Ubuntu ISO. It's gonna cost you around 6.1 gigabytes. After this, you will back to the VM Ubuntu. So the thing that you need is to edit the virtual machine setting. So at this one, memory, you can set to the recommended. Processor, you can keep it. Hard disk, this one is the thing that you do from the step that you configure for this folder. Okay, and then this CD and file is the thing that you are set to the link from the ISO that you download already. So this is the ISO link that I download from my folder here, this one. Okay, you can click it and copy path. After this you can paste it here. Okay, remember to remove the quotation here. Okay, and then this is the link that you have. Okay, remember network, keep it. USB, keep it. SIM card, keep it. In display. Okay, at this one you can focusing on whether it's 4 or 8 gigabit, but my computer is not too powerful, so I just set for 4, and then you can click OK. And after this you will click to the power on this virtual machine. Okay, and when you click this, it's gonna run a new Ubuntu. And after this you just do some kind of configure in order to run Ubuntu. Okay, So here is my already installed Ubuntu, and if you first running this Ubuntu, it's not gonna require you anything. You just simply to click next in order to download some requirements for the operating system. And here is the list that I already have. This is where I'm actually logged in. Okay, so you don't be care. Okay, so the thing here, you the download for Wi-Fi or driver is not necessary because you are currently running on the virtual machine. Okay, so you can able to not to care about this, and that is the end. Hopefully that you can download the Ubuntu here.